friends. Today I am going to share you a drugstore Android application source code. Let's start how we can clone the project or download the project, and how we can configure the server, and how we can start the project or run the project. Let's in Google Chrome open github.com/frontend-source-code. Inside that, you click on repository. In repository there is a repository called drugstore. Click on that. Okay, you can clone the project by using URL, or you can download a zip file, simple zip file you can download, or you can clone the project. So to clone the project, copy the URL, just to go to the open command prompt in the folder, then type zip clone and paste your URL. Then go to the drugstore. You can see drugstore here. Open in Android Studio. Open an existing project. Then go to drugstore. Select drugstore. Then it will take some time to build the garden. Let's see. It will process take some time. Let's configure our server. It's developed in PHP. So go to C, then jump. Inside that jump, htdoc is there. Here you can paste your extract your folder. Okay, it's complete. Then go to the drugstore. You can see a drug store SQL is there. Then open jump. Okay, jump is here. Just start Apache and MySQL. Then type localhost. It will take you to the PHP my admin panel, where we will configure our database. Go to PHP my admin, then create a new database. Then type drugstore. Drugstore. Then select general HCI, general CI. Then create database. Then go to the import. Choose file. So go to C, jump, htdoc, drugstore. Here is our SQL file. Just upload that one. It's working. It's finished. So in Android, just go to Java. Here is activity. Sorry, go to API. Client is there. Here REST client is there. Here they are providing server URL. Just comment that one. For local purpose, I am using this. So in command prompt, you just cmd, then type ipconfig to check my IP address. 102 is there. 02 is there. 02. If you go for this, Then I can also get the data. Here you can see the website and go to the login. So we have to set up our files or configure PHP server. To config, just open it on VS Code. We have some configuration here. Include inside include config file is there. Inside config file, just change the host name, username, password, and DB name. Just change this thing. And here in API also there is a config file. Here same thing, you have to change this thing. We have to change server name, username, password, and database. Okay. Now we can go to here. Okay, in admin, the authentication is admin, and password is admin at the rate of 2020. So it will open, it will take to me here. Yes, save. Category is manage category. You can see some categories there. So you can also edit some category. Maybe some image is missing. Just change code image, downloads, update. Then also make the same. Okay. So go to the category orders, item are there. You can see all items are there. Let's start our Android application with that. Here you can also change the price. Okay, change the price. Here the discount price is there. You can also update everything here. And also in home page, here is you can set yes or no, means you can show the product in front screen or not. You can decide here. If yes, then you can check. Yeah, yes is there. Okay. Okay. Next you can skip. So you can log in or you can register. Go to sign up, type test test user. Mobile number is 987 65 98765. Password will be PASSWORD. Then okay, then click and sign up. Okay, registration successful. Go to the home page. Let's see what we have make show in home page, true or false, these things. Yes, this will show first. Okay, you can see products. You can scroll up and see popular product also. You can see product details. Go back. See my profile category. This is the category. Click on any category. You can see the products. Then you can add or remove the products. You can see the subtotal. I have added 2 products to a cart. Increase 2, parent is 2 3. You can see. Now you can go to the cart for checkout please. You can see 2 products, 3 products, and 2 products, total 5 products are there. Go to the checkout. Test email ID is test user at the rate of gmail.com. Address will be test address test address. Go to Karnataka, zip code 560026, city Bangalore, then save. Now cash on delivery is available because of online payment mode. We have not um, uh, only cash on delivery is available. Online payment method you can enable that method if you have online payment. So confirm and pay. So here some options are there. You know, because for every medicine maybe may or may not be prescription will required or not. So you can select any of this. Maybe suppose select prescription. So take your prescription photo or upload from the gallery. Whatever you want you can do. Got it. Yeah, select. You can check this. Now you can go for place order. Okay, order placed successfully. Now big, then it will take to your home page. Then you can go for my orders. You can see one order is there in view details. You can show what product you have ordered. So suppose you go for the and check orders, or you can directly go for the dashboard, or you can check one order is there, right? Send pending. Change confirmed. Yeah, this confirmed. Now go for home page. Go to my orders. You can check. See, this is confirmed. Okay. So that's all, guys. Please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe my channel for more source code. Thank you.